Passing the API 510 exam is a major milestone, and with a structured plan, it's completely within your reach. Today, we're mapping out your roadmap to success, from core codes to a practical 12-week study schedule. First, let's look at the exam itself. It's designed to test your knowledge of in-service inspection and repair. The exam typically features closed book sections for fundamentals and open book sections for complex calculations and reference use. Always verify the latest exam publication rules for your specific jurisdiction or session before test day. Success starts with the right materials. There are 6 core documents you must master for this exam. ASME Section VIII. Division 1 provides the fundamental rules for the design and fabrication of pressure vessels. The API 510 code itself defines the requirements for in-service inspection, rating, and alteration. API Recommended Practice 572 offers detailed guidance on inspection practices for pressure vessels. RP 576 is your go-to guide for the inspection of pressure-relieving devices and safety valves. RP 577 covers welding processes, metallurgy, and inspection, critical for understanding repair quality. Finally, ASME Section IX focuses on qualifying welding and brazing procedures and personnel. So how long does it take? A realistic timeline depends on your current experience level. For experienced inspectors, we suggest 8 to 12 weeks, while beginners should plan for 12 to 16. Let's talk about pass rates. It's important to have a realistic perspective on the challenge ahead. Official pass rates aren't always published, and success depends heavily on the quality of your personal preparation. Now, here is our recommended 12-week plan to get you exam ready systematically. Start in weeks 1 and 2 by understanding the exam blueprint and setting your baseline knowledge. Weeks 3 and 4 should be dedicated entirely to the core fundamentals of ASME Section VIII. In weeks 5 and 6, shift your focus to the specific in-service requirements of the API 510 code. Move on to weeks 7 and 8 for a deep dive into the recommended practices for vessels and valves. Weeks 9 and 10 cover Section 9 welding qualifications and specific damage mechanisms. Finally, in weeks 11 and 12, perform full mock exams and repair any remaining weak spots. To succeed, aim for 2 hours on weekdays and up to 6 hours on weekends. Consistency is key. Utilize code tabbing, indexing, and keep an error log to track and learn from your mistakes. Follow this 12-week plan, track your areas of growth, and you can walk into exam day prepared. Success is the result of daily discipline. Good luck on your API 510 journey.